Only took me 8 hours to get this thing upstairs, but we finally here. We got the Awake Ravic 3. Catalina crew is about to unbox. They finally arrived in Los Angeles. So let's see what we got. Get my handy dandy butcher's knife. Stoked to see what's out of this thing. Ooh, there she is in all her glory. See what we have here. I've got the golden ticket, my man. Oh, damn. It's a title. De resistance. Let's see what's in here first. Assume that's the charger. We got the user's manual. Those are wheels, I assume, for the bag. We had a little interruption. And we are back to our regularly scheduled programming. Haha, a little swag bag for the boys. Check this out. Let's see what's under here. Let's see what we got on this side. These boards come from Sweden. It's weird, everything in the boating community seems to come from Europe and make its way to the US. Cool. Foot pedals. I'll check this out. So I assume goes here. Oh yeah, there's the batteries. Lock and load. Well, we're about to take this bad ride out and do a little test ride, make some videos, and post it up on the net. Check it out, Catalina Crew.